This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys. So Prabhu has created 3 virtual servers, right? And I would like to um, do the basic configuration on each server. So how do you do the basic configuration on all the server? First of all, you have Ethernet IPv4 and IPv6. There are two things assigned to this server. IPv6, what is IP? That's an Internet Protocol. IPv4 and IPv6. Why it is needed? It is needed for network connection. Okay, so that your computer can connect to the network. So there are two options for a network connection, IPv4 or IPv6. We don't need IPv6. One connection is sufficient. So click on IPv4. Right click on Ethernet and go to the properties of that. No, cancel this. Now you have uh, Internet Protocol version 6. We don't need to touch the version 4, otherwise you will get disconnected to this machine. So Internet Protocol version 6 is there. Uncheck that box below the last one. Internet Protocol version, yes, 6. Click OK. So that is the first prerequisite we have to do. Close this. Second, at the right hand side, you have IE Enhanced Security, which is on at the moment. Click on on and turn that off.
So this also
Click OK.
uses.
Yeah, yeah, off. Click OK. Then at the right hand side, you see Windows Update, which is saying download updates only. But I will make it manually, not automatic. It is automatically going to download update. We don't want that to happen. We will be pushing the updates from SCCM. It should not download anything from internet. Basically, it is going to download from internet. So let's right click on start on the guest machine. Right click on start. Down at the bottom, you have to scroll down first. Right click on start run. Now type in sconfig in the run box. Server configuration. Sconfig. And click OK. Now there are many options available. You see, we have to modify the option number 5, as you see Windows Update setting, which is download only at the moment. So type in 5 and hit enter. And M and hit enter. Now do the same thing on other machines.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the no, 1 minute. Before you go to another machine, close this command prompt, the blue command prompt. Exit. Exit. 15. Type in 15. Go back to the domain server. Now you also need to rename this machine. The machine name is pretty weird at the moment. So click on this win. Yeah, that one. Click on change. Type in domain. The machine name will be domain, right?
Okay.
Click OK. Now you have to repeat the same step on database and MECM PS. Click OK. Restart now.
Later I clicked.
Okay. Restart now. Below you have start button. Click on start. Restart now. Continue. So same process what we have to follow here in the database machine. Go back to server manager here in the database machine. You all need to perform this task, guys. I have sent you the email. You have to create your Azure account today itself. When you create your Azure account, so tomorrow I will guide you step by step how you can perform these tasks. We will create servers and then perform these tasks. Okay. And click on local server at the left hand side. Close the notification from the top. Click on IPv4 thing. Close it. I enhance security is on at the moment. Turn that off. Every day we will do practical, theory plus practical. Okay. CMD. Five and hit enter. Yes, and M and hit enter. Yeah, click OK. Now let's rename this machine to database. Click on Win. Yeah, change. Type in database. Click OK and apply OK and restart. Close it. Restart. So we have followed the same process on database. Now we will follow the similar step on MECM PS server. Check the box. Do not show this message again. Close it. Now IPv4 and IPv6. You need to disable IPv6. Click on Ethernet. Right click and properties. Turn off. Click OK and close this. And rename this machine. Change. Okay, so we have renamed this machine. We have done the similar step on all three machines. What we did, we have turned off the IE enhanced security, disabled the IPv6, then turn off the the automatic update, and rename the machine. Domain machine is domain now, database is database, and MECMPS is MECMPS. So I have sent you the email address already. Let me share. So so currently what we have done is we have created three machines, right? And so tomorrow, those who will join, we will create machine in Azure Cloud Data Center. So we have three machines, right? Similarly, we will create machines in Azure. And what we did in today's session, we have done the basic configuration is clear in all the so what we have done, we have given name as domain. This one is database, and this one is MECMPS. And basic IE enhanced security is off. We have done basic configuration in all these three machines. That's what we have done. Okay, so tomorrow when we meet, we will create these machines in Azure Cloud Data Center. So each one of you, those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you can reach me on this number. Okay, if you face any challenges, any issues, how to create your Azure free account, okay, I will guide you how to create your free account, and then you will I will guide you how to create three machines, virtual machine. Okay, so those who are interested to continue, you need to enroll to this course, and from tomorrow onwards we will start the theory plus practical both. Any question from anyone? Any question from anyone? Ali, Altaf, Madhvi, Sai Kumar, Sandy,
No,
Tirupati, Veena.
Kashif, do we need to buy the domain also, or we can work
No,
on the local domain itself?
local domain itself. We don't have to buy.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys. So those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you need to reach me on this number. I will give you the enrollment process. You you need to enroll to this
Kashif,
course.
I have
Mm.
actually I have my office laptop. I want to practice on that. Is it possible I can practice on that? I don't have personal laptop.
Yeah, if you don't have personal laptop, that's okay. You can create Azure account and create everything in the Azure Cloud Data Center. Don't install anything on your office laptop. Okay.
Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Thanks.
So those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you need to contact me on this number, and you need to enroll to this course, guys. Thank you for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet tomorrow at 8 a.m. India time. Bye now. Bye everyone.
Akash.
Thank you.